Mathaini mathe mwesha kiroko niguo mwiri wa mutigairi president wa gatatu wa bururi Mwai Kibaki ukinyire cikaro-ini cia bunge rungu rwa ugitiri munene wa maabitha a ikiro itiganite cia ugitiri. Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta no hinguriire a Kenya kuona mwiri na kuheana itio ciao cia muthia mihang'o iria igukorwo igithie na mbere kwa ihinda ria thikũ ithatu.
The name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Andu a bamiri ya Kibaki ni matariirie thabari ya ruo ya miaka itatu iria ragereire akihurana na ndwari iria matanahithuria.
They had been ailing for about 2 or 3 years, and the last maybe 3 months were quite difficult. But really, it is the last 1 month where things started deteriorating very fast. But he put up, quite a good battle.
Hihi matoko make ma muthia tanahuruka marahanaga atia?
I don't think it has really even hit me that he is really gone. I think maybe it will hit me when we bury him in Ithe on Saturday, that he's not there anymore. But for the last 59 years, he has been there for me, and I will really, really miss his protection, really, because when your father is there, you always feel safe.
Mbere ya kuhuruka gwake Kibaki ndareyumiragia muingi-ini na ripoti ciake cia kuhatiriirio ni mwiri no ciranyagagio nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria.
Family, we are very private. We don't, just broadcast our medical state just, to anybody. So maybe it caught Kenyans by surprise, but for as a family, we could see the signs, but we were hoping.
Kuma kona ciothe Kibaki aragathiririo ta mutongoria uraigite bururi wake mbere no ngire yumire niguo rugame no family yake yugite ni arakumitie maundu ma family na njira nene.
One of my brightest memories of Mzee was when we used to go on holiday in Mombasa as a family, and to see Mzee walking on the beach, going into the sea, laughing, having fun, just being carefree. This was when we were much smaller, of course. Those are beautiful memories.
Gikuu giake Kibaki giukite riria Kenya makiria kurika ndebe-ini na andu a family yake ni matariirie uria ngirendire kuona bururi uhana.
From there, he kept reminding us that Kenya is for all of us. Most Kenyans, they think it is the government's duty to work for Kenya while they themselves work for themselves. But if we want to build this country, we all have to get involved.
Thutha wa thikũ ithatu cia Kenya kuheana itio ciao cia muthia bunge-ini ni gugakorwo na igongona ria mitha kihoro-ini kia Nyayo Nairobi muthi wetano mbere igongona ria mathiko mwena wa Othaya kaunti-ini ya Nyeri muthi wa Jumamothi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV retwara kwa nino ngari wa Kamau.